Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasser the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. So guys, welcome back with another amazing video. In this video, I am going to explain how we can connect this Android device with this computer. So stay tuned and keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, to connect these both devices, we need a data cable like this because my phone has type C port. So this is type C cable. The one side is type A and the second side is type C. Plug in the two ends of the cable and you can see the USB cable is connected. Now open this PC. But you can see that there is no device is being shown into the computer or my computer. It is drive C, it is drive E and F. These are the basic hard drives of my computer. So where is the Android device will be shown? So first of all, there are some notification on the computer on the Android device. So first of all, allow. So first of all, scroll down from the top and you can see there are two notifications, and the second option is tap for more option, and you have to choose from these options to turn on the file sharing. By default it is on the option no data transfer, so you have to choose from the first option, file transfer Android. Click and you can see that the device, the Android device is now being shown on this computer, Infinix Hot 30 Play. And now you can open this device on the computer. Now if we remove the cable, and you can see the device is not being shown in my computer. Again, plug in, but there is no device being shown in my computer. So in the mobile device, scroll down and again click the second option and click the file transfer, and you can see the device is ready to be open in my computer. It is being shown by the name of the mobile device. You can copy from the device into the computer, or you can place your computer files into the Android device. I think that's enough for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.